Now, when it comes to filling in the joints between the slabs, you can do it with kiln dried sand, but you need a dry day to do that. And this resin-based product is a lot easier to use. It binds together, it resists the weed, it won't crack, and it's just a convenient product. But the great thing is you can put it in the wet. In fact, it works better in the wet. So even if it's not raining, just hose the patio down, brush this in, and you'll find that you've got a ready-made surface. You can get it in different colors as well, so you can get a bit of a contrast going if you want to. But the other way to fill the joints, if you've got a wider gap, is with sand and cement pointing, but that takes a bit of skill. If you're not good at that, then you can make a bit of a mess of the slabs. So this is a real convenience product that overcomes a lot of problems.